I am going to start about digestive system. Digestion is held with 5 steps, that is digestion, absorption, egestion, assimilation and excretion. These 5 steps held and complete digestion. Let's study about digestive system. Diagram present here. At first, mouth. We take food at first, then it comes into our mouth, then it chewed with teeth. Teeth help to chew the food. There is 4 kind of teeth. You will study about teeth in chapter 2. Okay children? Now second one, food. Then come through food pipe. Food pipe also known as oesophagus. From oesophagus, then food goes into stomach. Here hydrochloric acid present and some digestive juices present that break the food. It means complex food converting to simpler form. Complex food, we take food that present in complex form, then it goes into stomach, then it converts into smaller form. For example, carbohydrate, it converts into sugar. Fat converts into fatty acid. Protein converts into amino acids. It means amino acid, fatty acid, these are simpler forms. Then these food then come into small intestine. Here digestion completely, but some undigested food that goes to large intestine. Also liver secretes bile that help to digest the food. Liver also largest organ in our body. Okay children? Now pancreas. Pancreas that make different kinds of enzymes. Here pancreas, it also helps in digesting the food materials. Now some undigested food materials from small intestines come into large intestine. Here fully digest the food materials. Then some undigested food materials goes through anus and excrete our body. So here digestive system is completed. Children, to know more about digestive system, see the animated video. Let's see.
Digestive system in humans. Our topic for today is digestive system in humans. Let's start children. Digestion is process in which complex food material is broken down into simpler substances. The digestion of food in humans takes place in the alimentary canal, which is long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. Now children, the different parts of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe, oesophagus, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now children, 2 glands namely liver and pancreas also help in digestion. The food is taken in through the mouth. It is chewed and mixed with saliva in the buccal cavity. Saliva is digestive juice secreted by the salivary glands. The chewed food enters into the food pipe or oesophagus and is then slowly pushed into a bag-like structure called stomach. The food is churned in the stomach to further break it down. The stomach also secretes mucus, digestive juice, and hydrochloric acid. Children, the hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria in the food and make the food easy. The food then goes into highly coiled tube called small intestine. The small intestine receives secretions from the liver and pancreas. Then the liver secretes bile juice while the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Then children, now let's start. The walls of the small intestine also secretes juices which help in further digestion. The inner surface of the small intestine has finger-like projections called villi. The villi have extensive network of blood vessels. The digested food is then passed into blood vessels. Here, the undigested food is passed into the large intestine. It is wider than the small intestine. Excess of water and salts are absorbed here and undigested waste is passed out of the body through the anus.
I hope you understand about digestive